work in the quarry. Made the young deer cower and crouch further down inside Luke's camp. Until...
Oh!
the deer scampered away once more.
Come back, little friend.
I like your new friend, Luke. He's fun. Where are you, friend? Going down.
Phew.
I'm not sure the quarry is the right place for him. I think it might be a bit too noisy.
You're right, Owen. There's only one thing for it. We're all going to have to work more quietly.
Oh, dear.
The other engines were happy when they saw Luke and his new friend back together again. They wanted to help, so they all moved slowly and steadily, lifting heavy stones and shifting dusty gravel, without making any loud noises. Until... Peter Sam was trying so hard to work quietly that he wasn't watching where he was going. And then there was trouble.
Sorry, Luke, but there's no way we can do our jobs properly if we're trying to be quiet.
He's right, I'm afraid.
It's harder to work slowly and quietly than it is to work quickly and noisily.
But what about my friend?
Face it, Luke. You can't be really useful and look after your friend. That deer does not belong here.
He does belong here. It just takes a little while to fit in. That's all. He'll soon get used to it. Just like I did.
Luke, why don't you take this load of gravel to the castle? Your new friend might enjoy the journey through the park.
And taking the gravel will be really useful.
So Luke was hooked up to Skarloey's loaded wagons of gravel. Luke found his new friend